Hi, beautiful people. Blessings to you. Today, I will show you how to create your Reiki and sound box for distant healing. Okay, I normally have two boxes. One is small like this one. This is a beautiful one that it was gifted to me from one of my students. I keep their new requests in here. I keep them for 24 hours and then I will transfer them into a bigger box, which is here, this box. Okay, it's a simple wooden box, and you can place all your requests, healing requests in here. You can put inside your box stones, chakra stones, unpolished. I have more over here. I have the 7 chakras unpolished, and you can also put clusters of quartz. Sometimes I use my energy stone. I have different ones, so you could use whatever resonates with you. I have chips of Shanghai, little chips of Shanghai. I have, you can use all your stones and crystals that you want to use, as long as they work with you. Okay, so I have this one here. I also place my stones with the symbols, Reiki symbols inside my box. I have all my symbols in here. I have other stones like this is rose quartz polished and with a shape of a heart. So they're so beautiful. So you could be creative in the way that you want to do your box. Okay, you can always follow your instruction from your teachers or masters, or you could be creative in making your own, or you could use some of my ideas. It's like it's your own box. I just can give you tips on how to create them. The way that I always use different things inside my box, but these are just samples. You can have your Reiki symbols printed. You can draw your symbols. Okay, normally use parchment paper to write down their request. Okay, so what I do is I cut them in strips of parchment paper. But if you don't have the parchment paper, you can always use white, and then write down the name of the person, the full name of the person, the location, what is the intention for the healing, what is the problem, the issues, if the person has any situation or issue that they want to do this healing. So very important to have good intentions when you are creating and doing the healing. Okay, I always make sure to smudge my box with sage and Palo Santo. Okay, so I also clear my box with selenite. Okay, you can do your magic with Palo Santo, sage, selenite. Alright, so clear, make sure your box is clear. Okay, and to honor Dr.Usui, I always keep a picture of him in my altar with my boxes, in my healing studio. Okay, so honor your guides. Honor Dr. Usui when you're doing the Reiki box. Okay, if I also used close to my boxes, I light up tea light candle and make sure to fill this power up with water to be safe. And very important, never blow up your candle. Okay, if you need, make sure it burns all the way down, or if you need to leave the house or your studio or anything, don't leave any candles unattended. You could also use this just to put your candle out, but never blow out your candles, okay? Or you will blow out your all your work with it. So very important, okay? I love to infuse some of the sound. My favorite. And very important, I use my singing bowl to infuse energy. Make sure, if you want a healing from me, make sure to give me your full name, your location, so I can direct that energy wherever you are. Your intention, what is the healing for, if you have any pain, if you have any issue or situation that you want to clear out, whatever the issue is, make sure to give me the details so I could visualize, I could pray over the box, do my mantras, my meditation, my prayers, and so this will work instantly like this with it, you know. Make sure also, if you wanna have your chakra stone, these are little tiny ones that I use also, so whatever that you have available, you can use that to help you with your healings. Make sure to draw your symbols or have them print. Give me your name, your location, your intention for the healing, and if you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, like it, comment, and if you want to request any healings from me, just email me, or you can connect with my Facebook group. I have Instagram. I also have my email, so check in the description box. I'm gonna give you all the details, and if you want a consultation, you can always email me also. Okay, thank you and have a great day. Love you.